Okay, so if you have been looking for a motorized callus remover that's reliable, cost effective and comes with a 3-year guarantee, then the MP28 from Beurer might be something for you to consider. So in today's video, we're going to do an unboxing of the MP28, find out what features the device itself has and also what items are included inside of the box. Having a look at some of the features noted on the outside of the device, and we can see that the MP28 has a built-on LED light on the underside of it. So if you are working on an area, it will be well illuminated. You've also got 3 different callus attachments in here, so 2 coarse and 1 fine. And you've also got a secured switch for the off and on switch on this device. So you'll have to physically press down and press forward and the opposite to deactivate this device. It'll just keep you and everyone else around the device safe when using it. With this, you've also got a powerful motor that's included in here and a protective cap. The accessories that will come along with this device are also a cleaning brush and also batteries that you will get in here. Let's open it up. Let's take a look at it. And firstly, we can see we've got our instruction manuals here. So very important for you to go through the first time you get your device. It'll teach you exactly how to use the device, how to exchange the different files and batteries in it, and also how to clean and maintain it. You'll also get some handy warnings and precautions when using the device, all included in here. Next, we can see that you've got your cleaning brush, and this will just help you clean and maintain the device. And you've got your 2 AA batteries. So with this, if you are going to exchange them, try to look for something like the Energizer Max AA battery. That will be the best lifespan and also the best power output. You also have your callus files. So we have 1 coarse callus file built in already. We have another coarse callus file here and 1 fine callus file there. If you need any replacements on these callus files, then you can come over to our website, omninela.co.za, and just type in MP28 on the top search bar and you'll be able to find some of the replacements for these callus files. Lastly, we've got the device itself. So having a look at it, we can see that we've got our protective cap that comes as such. You've got your coarse callus file already included. On the underside right there, you're also going to have your LED light. And on the top side, you're going to have your off and on switch. You can see that you have a little bit of a nub in the middle, and that is actually a button that you have to depress for you to be able to click the device on. So a good safety setting to have around. Based on the aesthetics of the device itself, you can see that it's got a very good shape. If you do need to grip it, whether you do have smaller or bigger hands, it will suit you quite well. It's got a matte texture all around it, and you've got your battery compartment on the underside of the device right there. So good, clean and neat device. And that is the MP28 from Beurer. If you think I've missed out any information in this video, then please share that in the comment section so that we can get back to you directly. Alternatively, to shop or to find out more, you can head over to our website, omninela.co.za. If you did enjoy watching this video and would like to hear more from me, then please leave us a like and subscribe. We'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, I'm Nicholas from Omninela Medical, reminding you to live limitless.